All right, so for this first part of our portfolio, we're going to log into your Schoology account, head to your Welding Fab 1 course, and then navigate to your portfolio by going to your name, and then picking the one called Portfolios. If you haven't made one yet, hit the new Portfolio button and give it a title that you can recognize. I'm hoping you have one already. Here's mine called Welding Fab 1, so I'm going to open that one. And I just tried a page, see how it's going to work, and it's going to work for what we're going to do, so I'm going to get rid of that for now. So your task is to add a page, and we're going to title this first page your 1 through 4 MIG fillet welds. So I'm going to go Portfolio Items, Add a Page. I'm going to title this here my MIG 1 through 4 fillet welds. Okay. Down here, I'm going to add some text to describe what's going on, and I'm going to add a little bracket or a little table, we'll call it, to put each of the 4 photos in. So I'm going to add a few returns, give me some space, go up to the thing here called Tables, and I'm going to add a 2 table wide by 4 table tall table, or 2 columns, 4 rows. 2 vertical columns, 4 rows. Okay. I'm going to make them bigger so you can see them, and a bit taller. Okay. I can always adjust the size of the tables too, I believe, as I go. It's not quite the same as you would work with a on the Google document, but it's pretty close to being the same concept. I'm just going to check out some things here before I get too carried away. All right, that's fine. So here we're going to call this one here the 1F weld, and we'll have our 2F weld. Let's capitalize this here too, I suppose. And I'll do all these welds. Oops, 3F weld. And the 4F weld. Okay. How do I shrink that back? There it goes. So I'm going to make this side smaller, this side bigger. If I go in this column, if I add some spaces to shift that box way over, just kind of forcing it to be a smaller column and a wider column. Why? I'm putting my photos in this side. Here's my text. I can highlight my text and center my text. Here I'm going to insert an image. Again, use your Chromebook or use your phone to get a picture of your weld. Get a pretty high quality picture of the weld, just the front of the weld. And I'm going to either dig in my Google Drive if my picture is there, or mine is in my computer's picture folder. So I'm going to dig there for that picture. I'm going to attach a file, and it's going to be, this is of course the wrong picture, but it'll work for demonstration. I pick my picture and I open it, and it'll drop the picture in. There's my picture of my 1F weld. This is actually a 1G weld for my Welding Fab 2 class, but that works. Then I'll get a picture of my 2F weld, drop it in here, picture my 3F weld, and my 4F weld. We may have to do a little bit of resizing of this to make it bigger so it fits. Your picture itself, I can shrink smaller so it fits better if I want to. And then we also can play with some of the spacings on it and whatnot. So we can kind of tinker with those a little bit. So again, build a page, title it MIG1 through 4F, build that table, label the table, add a picture of each one of your welds. All right, there's your first portfolio assignment for Welding Fab 1.